Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how to get the DS Emulator for iOS and Android. As you can see, this one is called NDS. So as you can see, when you pop up on the search bar, you can also get any game. So I'm going to show you first the features, how it works and how to get any game for. I'm using this website, and you can use any other one that pops up on the Google through DS Emulator, but be sure to use it through this emulator so it can be extracted automatically onto your DS Emulator on iOS, so you don't have to manually extract it and unzip. So as you can see, when you choose the game, you press here save game in this DS Emulator, and then here when you press on the save game, in 8 seconds download of the game should start, and this Nintendo DS Emulator is gonna give you a chance. As you can see, download started. It's gonna give you a chance to play any Nintendo game, any GBA ROM file on this emulator on both iPhone and Android in 2022. So after it's downloaded, it's gonna start automatically, but it's gonna probably crash. So you just run it again, and as you can see, the game is still there. You then launch it normally, and it should work perfectly well. In the settings, you can also try to look if you wanna change skin for this emulator or stuff, but as you can see, everything works perfectly well. You can also use it in a different position depend on the game you want to play, and you can get this Nintendo DS Emulator in just a couple of minutes today. So I hope you're gonna like this video, and yeah, without further ado, before we start, please subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's proceed with the video. Everybody, I'm back. So to get the DS Emulator on iOS, you should visit this page here. As you can see, it's called itweak.com. I'm gonna type it here with you guys. As you can see here, this page is a pretty popular website where you can find many cool applications for iOS and for Android devices. So you can also use the search bar here, so you can find many emulators here. And for example, this DS is right here. As you can see, is the newest version, or probably the newest version of NDS Nintendo DS Emulator on iOS and Android. So as you can see, when you press here, it's going to start this whole process, but this is going to take some time and some additional steps. So I highly recommend you to watch it carefully till the end, because if you miss some steps, it might not work properly. So you have to watch this every step carefully till the end in order to get DS Emulator on iOS. Just wait a little bit more here. If we did everything right, we should come to this page where it says that thanks to our sponsors, all apps and tutorials are free, and only way to keep them free is to download 2 of these sponsored applications and follow the instruction below this, and then you are going to come to the final part where there is no more ads and where you are going to learn how to get this Nintendo DS Emulator on iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you how to do this. There is many different apps, so I'm going to show you some of them. For example, this one says to download the app and come to the village number 3, complete village 3. That's like level 3 side of the app. All these apps are from the official app store, and as you can see, it's pretty popular one, over 500,000 reviews on the app store, so they are completely safe. I was already playing this, as you can see. As you can see here, I'm on the village number 5, so village 3 is enough. I was just playing this more than I had to, so you don't have to come to the village 5, you just have to come to the village 3. It's really easy. As you can see, every time you do an upgrade, you get these points here, and when you do enough upgrades, you're going to come to the next village. And to do upgrades, you need coins that you can get completely free with doing these free spins inside of the game. So you just scroll up here and do spins. Every time you do spins, as you can see, you get free coins for a chance to attack other people, village and stuff. And if you run out of spins, you come back in 60 minutes to get additional one. But when you just start the game, you get tons of bonuses, and it's really cheap to get through the village number 3. You can get it pretty fast, especially if you also send a link to some of your friends and stuff, so you can finish this really cool. As you can see, I recommend this application to do in order to get the DS Emulator for iOS and Android in the end. But if you like some of the other applications, you can do them as well. So you can also hold this spin button here, so it will automatically, as you can see, do these spins, so you don't have to press. And as you can see, you got the chance to attack somebody else's village and collect their money if we do a successful attack. As you can see, we got here many coins that we can use to upgrade our village, and in the end this should help us to finish this part of the this tutorial and to get the Nintendo DS Emulator on iOS and Android. So you can play any Nintendo game on iPhone and iOS. As you can see here, when you come to the village number 3, you are done. You can go back to that page and you can continue with doing a second application. So again, before we continue, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. I'll be doing my best to answer to everybody and to help you. And anyway, as you can see here, you can do these upgrades, and at the end it should work perfectly well for you. So anyway, let's try the second app. So we can do any of these other apps. I was doing this right here that says download the app and run it for 30 seconds. That's extremely easy to do. So all you have to do is to download the application, open it, and stay inside for half a minute. So as you can see, again, pretty popular application, 500,000 reviews as well. And all you have to do is actually to stay here for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna type here somewhere just to be sure that the application recognized that I was using it. You don't have to register. I'm not gonna register either. I'm just gonna type any random information just to be sure that application recognized that I was using it. And if you want to be completely sure that you will finish this and get DS Emulator at the end, you can as well spend some more time for like a minute or two just to be sure, but the 30 seconds is enough, as the website says. And I think we did enough for this. So after we did this, you go back, reload your page, and if you did everything right, you should come to the final part of the tutorial where there is no any more ads. As you can see, everything is separated by which mobile phone you are using, and at the end you are going to come to the part where you are going to get Nintendo DS Emulator. So thank you for watching.